I have placed in a very good reputed company in my first month.
मैं इंजीनियर कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर कमलेश कुमार आपका फिर से एक बार स्वागत करते हैं हमारे नए वीडियो में। आज का जो वीडियो है हमारे इंजीनियर्स की एस्टिमेशन की जो क्लासेस इनकी पूरी हो चुकी है वो प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं। तो चलिए इनके प्रेजेंटेशन को देखते हैं। और आप भी चाहते हैं कि हमारे ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग को ज्वाइन करना तो कॉल कर सकते हैं 9111001234 पे।
Hi friends, this is Asim Manzoor. I am from J&K and I am doing 2 months physical, the practical training, phygital training in Mohali branch. This is my second month and I have placed in a very good reputed company in my first month. So it's a very good opportunity for you if you come and join this course. It has so many very good courses in which you can pursue your career, there is estimation is there, you can become an estimator or estimation engineer. Second one is you can learn the quantity survey so that you can analyze the rate of the market, so you can give the proper estimation. And another very good thing is that the Civil Guruji has introduced a software which is called MBC, My Build Cost. It's a first time in India, I think first time in the Asia, in which you have only to trace out the drawing and the software give you the exact cost and the estimation of that, and it's very easy to use. For example, if you are doing the calculation manually, it will take I think several days find out the proper estimation of the building. But if you use My Build Cost by Civil Guruji, it will be done I think just in a half a day, just in 6 hours, 7 hours, whole project, a commercial project. So thanks to Civil Guruji, I got placed recently and with a good package. It's not good to share the package with you, but I will share. It's 4.5 lakhs per annum. So I think it's a very good package for me as a fresher civil engineer. So be the part of this Civil Guruji. It's a wonderful experience for me, and I have not finished yet. I am doing my second month training from tomorrow. So I think I will give you the introduction of some of the courses which you will get here. So first one is you will learn township layout on the ground. It's not in the class, it's on the ground. And the second one is central line layout. The third thing you will learn, which is most important, that is estimation and costing. And the best part of this is you will learn manually as well as on the software. In my layman's words, you can say you can learn in a traditional way also in a modern way. So the fourth one you will learn is the rate analysis, or we can say quantity survey. Fifth thing that you will learn here, that's BBS, it's bar bending schedule, which is one of the most important things in the whole BTech civil. Because bar bending schedule, it's used in every project, every single project, whether it is in railways, it's in airports, runways, highways, normal roads, or you can say in commercial buildings, residential buildings. In every project, this will be the common. And without BBS, bar bending schedule, it's impossible to go on the site and do your work. First, it is a very basic thing which you have to learn, and it's a very important thing which you have to learn. And the sixth thing which you learn is the surveying. And these things will not be only in class. You have to go for the site also, and regular site visitors are there. Seventh thing, that's your AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD. You can say it is one of the basic things which you should know in your career as a civil engineer. So you should know this software. You should know how to read the drawings. You should know how to draw the drawings. at least you should learn how to read that drawings. And in this 2 months training, you can learn properly the professional AutoCAD here. And the eighth thing, and one of the most important thing which you will never learn in any, I think, college or any other institute, that is the billing. Billing is like a heart of a project. If a heart is very important for a building, it's a heart for a project. Without billing, you can't do anything. You can't end up your project, or you can't start without the project without estimation and without billing. So you can pursue your career as a billing engineer also. And if you don't want to go on the site, or if you want to be in the office in your cabin with the AC, you can go with this important course, which will be amazing experience you will feel in this in civil Guruji. Because so these are the things which you will learn in this 2 months Phygital training. So I would like to share some details, some basic details about the estimation and costing right now with you. So the first thing we will discuss here is the estimation. It is simply process of calculation of quantities and cost of various items in connection with the construction project is called estimation. Simply. So in estimation, we have number of things to do while doing a project. So we have to keep proper calculation of these things. So one of the basic and the first thing is that is the site cleaning. Site cleaning, we have to clean the site simply. So another thing is that is excavation. You have to excavate the soil. And third things which is sand filling. When you excavate the soil, so sand filling, you have to fill the sand in the bottom of the footing. Fourth thing is PCC, which is plain cement concrete. Fifth thing is footing. Sixth thing is pedestal column concrete. It's a column which is considered up to only the ground level. Seventh thing is pedestal column shuttering. Simply, if you have to deal with the column concrete, we have to shuttering also. The eighth thing is one line brickwork. So the next thing is that is ground beam. So next thing is it's substructure up to plinth level. So what is the substructure up to plinth level? It's simply, you can see the height of the column, or considering the column up to plinth level. Okay. So next thing is brickwork up to plinth level. So again we have to give the brickwork up to the plinth level. So what is basically plinth level? The ground beam plus this substructure, brickwork and all, it's called plinth level, which is up to which is from the ground level. What will be the height of that? It's called plinth level. So what is in this? What is substructure? It's a column. इसका नाम ही बोलते हैं सबस्ट्रक्चर, क्योंकि ये सबस्ट्रक्चर में आता है, प्लिंथ लेवल तक ही आता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं सबस्ट्रक्चर. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज सुपर स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड ऑल. So the next thing is that it's one line brickwork. After that there is DPC, which we are giving for the different purposes, the moisture resistance, water resistance and all. After DPC there is a coating which is called the bitumen coating, which makes the DPC more stronger and more water resistant and waterproof or moisture resistant, you can say. After that, that is column for the superstructure, which I was telling you about. The substructure is the name for the column. This is also superstructure, it's also a column, it is a naming for that. So after that there is seal band. So what is seal band? Seal band is simply the concrete band or concrete base for the window. Normally you have seen in houses where there is a window, there is a crack on the corners. Prevent that crack on the corners and all, we give seal band. So after that there is brickwork up to the lintel beam. So what is lintel beam? So वहाँ तक हमें brickwork देना है again. So again this is lintel beam. After that हम विंडो दे रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर lintel beam आएगा, ताकि जितना भी लोड ऊपर का आ रहा है वो विंडो पे ना आए, तो lintel beam उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट lintel beam के बाद देयर इज brickwork अप टू स्लैब. तो lintel beam के ऊपर फिर से brickwork होगा स्लैब तक. तो आफ्टर दैट देयर इज स्लैब. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो and I suggest you come and join.